We say you have to be, oh God, who need to blunder, who need to make mistake for my lifting, for my rising. Last card, shake up. Open your mouth, begin to pray. Whoever you are in my life, in my destiny, anyone at this position to blunder, to make mistake for my rising, in the order of Vashti and Clemesta, in the order of Judas and Matthias, in the order of Esau and Jacob, in the order of Lucifer and Jesus, in the order of the first Adam and the second order, in the order of anyone that needs to blunder, let them blunder. Open your mouth and fire prayer. Who need to blunder for my rising? Let them blunder. Open your mouth and pray. Anyone that need to fumble from my left, let them fumble. Open your mouth and pray. If you are ahead of me, if you are beside me, if you are behind me, ahead of me, beside me, behind me, ahead of me, beside me, behind me, blunder, blunder, make mistakes, 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 let go to open your mouth and pray. You will say, my Father, by your mercy. If there is last card on me already, if there is last card on me already, just for you to then check up on me. By your mercy, deliver me. By your mercy, open your mouth and pray. I see deliverance taking place on this mountain. I see deliverance taking place now on this mountain. Take a day, come on, look at all. Look at the back a second. Look at the back a second. Let me go to if there is last card on me, Lord, intervene by your mercy. Intervene by your mercy. Intervene by your mercy. There's last card on me. Just to get shake up. Hey, intervene by your mercy. It is not on me. Just to hear shake up. My God, show me mercy. By your intervention, rescue me, rescue me, rescue this mountain. I pray, my helpers, your helpers will not keep pockets. Your parents, your loved ones, who deserve it, and mine will not keep pockets. I pray, no one will take my place and take your place. I pray your true ordination and my true ordination will not be replaced. 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 Lock up! Second! Amen! 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 Amen. Fire! Fire! It is done. In my favor, in your favor.